Last week, we were talking, and I asked folks, I said, hey, if you'd like to ask us some questions, because we're doing a new show this Thursday, we usually shoot on Thursday nights, and folks responded. So, do you want to help me answer some questions?
Sure will. They're easy.
Tiffany Gibbons, my favorite part of the show is the chemistry between Mr. Farmer and Mrs. Farmer.
Aww.
You two look to be truly happy together, and like you're always having fun.
We are, because we're
We
eating.
do.
Because we're eating.
Not too long ago, somebody said, do y'all ever fight? I said, yes. Amazingly, we have wonderful fights.
But I win.
She always wins.
I always win.
Kay Choir says, I look forward to watching your show each week. Your fresh recipes, joy of cooking, and sharing your home makes us feel like we're friends sitting around a table.
Well, that's nice.
And that's what we like.
Yeah,
Our
nice.
show is real. It's not scripted. If you see us in the kitchen, you're seeing us do what we do when we make dinner. Okay, Sherry Horning says, I've been enjoying your show for years. One thing I've always loved about you two is it's obvious when it comes to food, you'll try anything. So I'm curious, what's the most unusual food you've ever eaten? And I was reminded of how I tried lobster the first time when she met us and Kelly at the Seafood Festival in Newport, Kentucky. She said, not as brave as you two trying new things, but trying to branch out a little bit. Keep up the good work. So what is it for you, maybe the most unusual thing you've ever eaten?
I love everything. Well, I just had frog legs the other day. I love frog legs. And that sounds kind of weird when you think of them being in a gross little pond, but I love everything. So do you.
You know what? Probably the thing that we made for folks in a live show one time
Oh, yeah.
was the octopus.
Yeah, that's
we made a
right.
ceviche out of it, and it was, wasn't that delicious?
You serve tongue. I'm not a tongue fan.
Yeah. I love
You
beef
like
tongue.
that, though, yeah.
Ed Detmer says, my question is, how many TV shows have you done since 2012? And how many live shows have you done? Kelly, how many shows do you think we've done? Hundreds? So you think 2012, that
Wow.
was 11 years ago. So you average, say, 40 shows a year? What is
That's
it,
a lot of
Kelly?
shows.
300 to 400 shows.
That's a lot of shows.
Wow. Thanks for playing along. That was fun. I love it when people ask questions. I wish, the one thing I do wish, is they could smell what our kitchen smells like right
know.
now with those baked beans
That's
going in the
right.
background. Oh,